Welcome to a new piece today. We are in the heart of the Tug Hill in the town of Osceola, and this is a really nice piece of land that I want to share with you guys. It's 46 acres, and right in the middle of it is this nice little beaver pond here for a little spot to come down, catch some bass. But also just up the hill on this parcel is a really nice cleared out building envelope. It's got a driveway going into it. Pretty much it's ready to go right today for a camper and or to start a set of plans for a new cabin. So this property here happens to be right on the ATV and snowmobile trail. So ATV and snowmobile friendly, and you're within 500 feet of the state land for additional hunting purposes if the 46 acres isn't enough for you. So check it out today at www.landandcamps.com, or just give us a call direct with any questions you might have at 315-245-5761.